Drug overdose deaths in the U.S. reached a record high in 2019. That's according to a new study from the CDC. It shows more than 70,000 Americans died from drug overdoses, a nearly 5% increase from 2018. West Virginia, Delaware, and Washington, D.C. had the highest overdose rates, and Nebraska, South Dakota, and Texas had the lowest. Death rates were also higher among the American Indian and Alaska Native population than any other racial and ethnic groups. There has been a slight increase in the number of children who've tested positive for COVID-19 last week. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Children's Hospital Association, more than 57,000 new pediatric cases were reported last week. That marks the first time cases in children went up following a steady decline over the past 2 months. The data shows that more than 3.3 million kids have tested positive since the pandemic began. Children account for 13.3% of all COVID cases in the U.S. And a new study from Canada suggests obsessive compulsive disorder among new mothers is more common than previously thought. Researchers surveyed nearly 600 women during their last trimester of pregnancy, and for 6 months after, they found between 8 and 17% reported symptoms of OCD. Prior research had estimated that number was 2%. Experts say much of the difference is related to adding questions about thoughts of harming your baby.